Starting seed indoors as early as 10 weeks before the last frost gives you a jump on the growing season. Start by gathering everything you'll need. Use only good fresh seed, carefully chosen for your particular needs and growing conditions. Start in a planting mix or a soilless mixture of peat and vermiculite or other mediums like coconut coir. If you're using homemade planting mix that's made of compost or garden loam, be sure to sterilize it first by baking in an oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. This will prevent your seedlings from damping off or falling prey to other problems. Choose the correct size flat or starting pots and be sure to sterilize any that you reuse with a mild bleach solution. No matter what kind of pot or planting mix you use, always provide adequate drainage. Heat is crucial to seed starting. A heat mat will keep the soil in your starting pots at the correct temperature for germination. Covering pots with a loose layer of plastic wrap also helps maintain heat and moisture before seeds germinate. The other important component is light. Even a south-facing kitchen window won't give seedlings the 12 or more hours of light required to keep plants growing properly. A simple T5 fluorescent setup, whether it's part of a system or just a fixture you hang above the plants, will prevent your seeds from becoming leggy. Starting seeds indoors and monitoring their growth is a rewarding late winter family project that gives your garden a head start come spring.